Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to make a scatter chart in Google Sheets. Okay, and subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Right. And first open Google Sheets and create new project or open your old project. Okay, open project and click on this and click on car and press shift your keyboard and select all category and all amount, and the left corner click on insert, scroll down, click on chart, and right corner chart type, click on this and scroll down and select scatter chart. Alright, you create scatter chart. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.